FUCHS UK is a wholly owned subsidiary of a German multinational. We are the UK's largest independent lubricant manufacturer. And we've got places in Turkey, Romania, we're in France, in the Nordics, and so on, just a few places around the world. The mobile application, we send a guy to a customer site. He'll go and work with their machines, top up the coolants or grease the ball bearings on any kind of roller. All that data gets captured in either the mobile device or the website, and then that's straight into our databases, which can be reported almost immediately. So a customer at any point can see trends of how the machines are performing, so they can immediately take action based on some traffic light system. So if we've got a bad result, then it goes red, and then they can see it on a report, look at exactly what they need to see. We use SOTI mainly because of the remote control functionality. It's pretty impractical for just a small team of developers to be managing a country full of mobile devices, in person. So the fact that we can just remotely jump onto a device and sort it out is invaluable. The fact that we can just give them a locked down device where they just literally log into it, press a button and it opens the application. The MobiControl is useful to us because it tells us the battery levels of the devices at all times and then keeps a backlog of what it has been over the past few days. I think it's like an hourly log or something, which is great because also we get some guys who leave their devices unpowered, which kills the backup battery and then loses its time. SOTI's been great for actually getting things up and running from the start because we push out app updates all the time. If there's a new requirement for the software, then we can obviously write it and then put the application on our servers, which then MobiControl can pick up and deploy to all the devices in one go. Also, because it's a Windows Mobile 6.5 device, it is just an exe that we've got a shortcut pointing to, so even easier. It's the same for config updates. We just push that to MobiControl, set up a rule for a specific device, for a specific configuration file, and then that goes down. We've got a device sync rule for every 5 minutes. So if somebody needs a new site on their device, then we can just type it into a notepad document and then that gets sent down. It's impractical to manage 60-something devices from everywhere in the country. So the fact that we can remote on and remotely push out application updates and config files is brilliant. I'd say definitely take a look at MobiControl. I mean, I'm not sure what competitors there are out there. We've never needed to look for anything else because, as I said, it offers all the functionality that we need, but I would say definitely I've got experience with MobiControl and it's been absolutely fantastic for us.